nice.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
At 500 meter, the altitude is maxed out. But the weird thing, it's not an absolute altitude, it's a relative altitude. So 500 meters from the starting point. That means if I'm on a mountain, then I can fly much higher because the starting point will be much higher. Sometimes I wish I had a bit more height than 500 meters.
Battery level is low.
Okay.
The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Okay.
Go home.
Go home, bitch. Oh, did I really say that? Call my drone a bitch?
Now what?
We're going to modify flight parameters in Assistant 2. This specific one removes the altitude limit. Open up local storage and then click on File and change that debug value from 0 to 1.
Debug 1, okay.
Go ahead and type in the filter, limit underscore height.
Limit underscore height. Okay, I see it, bro.
The next one down, limit height underscore REL, change it to 12,500. Limit height ABS, change it to 2,500.
2,500. What else?
Make sure you hit enter after each of the values. You can go ahead and quit out and fly your aircraft.
Best tutorial ever. So I think I got it now patched to flying very high. And next time, maybe next video, yeah, or maybe this video, I will try to fly very high. And then hopefully I can touch the universe. Yeah, touch the moon, land on the moon. That would be a first, I think, on YouTube. I've seen surfers on the beach yesterday with a storm. The waves were a bit higher, and these kick-ass surfers, they don't care about the cold. They ride on ice if they have to.
How's the conditions today?
I can't hear you.
How are the conditions today?
Oh, they're really good.
So what better place than at Rheine to test the new settings? Hopefully the drone will pass the 500 mark. The first goal would be to get on the elevation of the Rheinebringen, which I'm not sure how high it is actually. It's maybe 500 meters. Okay. As you can see, it's looking nice. 250, looking good. 390. Okay, 400 meters. Let's turn around a bit. Let me brighten this up a bit. Yeah. So we see the Rheinebringen is a bit higher. Let's see. Yeah. Uh-oh, the 500 meters. Oh, I'm past the 500 meters. That's amazing. So I'm not really sure what to photograph for sunset. I would try to set something up here, I guess. See what happens.
1 hour later.
So I made panoramas, as always, at 12 millimeter. Is it this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. Maybe we go closer. Yeah, this is focus. Where's the wheel? There it is. Okay, that's the border of the image. Let's go to the center. There you see nice clouds. These were orange clouds, and there's the big mountain, and there's a beautiful reflection. Very, very nice. Too bad there are many footsteps, right?
Yes. Yeah, it is a bit of a shame. Yeah.
2 days ago it was also snowy, very snowy.
Yes.
And I was standing here and the bridge was perfectly covered in snow.
Oh,
No footsteps, everything
really?
was perfect. And the sky was clear but no aurora.
Wow.
But everything was perfect.
Really?
And the water was high.
Don't tell me. I don't want to know. We're lucky with the wind tonight, though. With
Oh, yeah,
it looks like
the
we'll have
water-
nice reflections.
Yeah, the water was super calm. It's especially convenient because I have no ND filter.
Do you have a Instagram or anything like that?
I have a card.
Oh, even better.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
Yeah, maybe you can take it out.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. It was
Thank
oh,
you.
you've been there. You were in Bringen, is it?
Yeah, this is from summer.
Yeah. Oh wow.
From winter, I will have new photos as well.
Yeah.
And it was amazing. Oh, it was super cold
Up there?
and hard.
You went up, did you? Yeah.
It was very difficult.
Wow.
I was super scared.
Really?
Yeah,
Yes.
There were a couple sections where it's really steep
Yes.
and then very icy or hard snow. And I was up there. I put the tent up there
Yes.
so that I can enjoy the
Really,
the sunrise as
you
well.
spent the night, yeah?
And I was even luckier. There was aurora at night, so I photographed the aurora. From
Oh
the
my,
island.
really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes,
Wow.
I did.
You're a very lucky man.
Yeah.
How in summer? How long did it take you to get up? Is it
Maybe
2 hours?
2 hours.
Yeah.
And
And this
winter I
time?
took 3.
Is that all though? That's still very.
Took 3 hours. Yeah.
But that's not so much for winter. For winter,
It actually is not that long of a route.
Really?
right, if you think
Really?
about it.
Yeah.
You just have to get up there from.
Is it what?
From over there.
600 meters?
I flew my drone today and measured it at 430.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's not that high, but it's steep.
That's incredible. Though.
Yeah, it was super.
Oh.
But I don't want to go again.
No.
No, it's very scary. Very scary.
Wow. Well, lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
And I will look forward to the video.
Yeah.
Enjoy tonight.
Yeah, you too. Goodbye. Alright, so now I made a setup and waiting for the northern lights. Many clouds. They just came in after sunset. Yeah, the aurora is covered by clouds. Nice.